Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a page from your Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete a Facebook page, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening our Facebook app, let's tap on the three line icon on the top right corner of our screen. Let's tap on the three line icon. And after that, you can see the pages option available over here just below the memories. Tap on pages. And after that, you can see my page over here, which is unpublished one. Now let's tap on Tutorial Guru. And now to delete this page, you can see the settings or the gear icon on the top right corner of our screen. Tap on the settings icon. And after that, tap on General. And when you scroll down, you can see the permanently delete Tutorial Guru option available over here. Tap there, and you can see the delete page option available again. Simply tap there, and let's go. And it has been deleted, and let's refresh it, and let's go to pages again. There will be no page. And there guys, this is how you delete a Facebook page from your Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.